What's going on YouTube? It's KingCraft with another custom video. Do me a favor and drop a like on it for me. First, we'll be rubbing the shoe with acetone. Since this shoe isn't leather, we'll be using a Scotch-Brite pad to scuff the surface, allowing paint to adhere better. Next, we'll be taping up the midsole and sock liner. For the base coat, we'll be spraying the entire shoe flat white. Next, we'll be laying our first and darkest color, which will be red. After that, we'll be spraying down orange slightly above the red that we just painted. Last, we'll be spraying down yellow a little bit above the orange. Also, I'll be spraying a thin line of white mist between each color so it separates them and allows the colors individually to pop. The last thing we'll be doing is painting the outside Nike check by hand with flat black paint. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content.